Look at him, he's sketchy. He's like Leonardo DiCaprio on Titanic. I bet he goes to art school.